Push-ups might look simple, but behind this classic movement is a powerful cascade of physical, metabolic, and hormonal changes that can reshape your physique and boost your overall fitness far more than most people realize. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. So what actually happens to your body when you commit to doing 100 push-ups every single day? Can you build muscle, burn fat, improve your strength and your health at the same time? And how can applying smart biohacking principles get you 2 to 3 times more results from the exact same effort? Let's break it all down, physically, scientifically, and strategically. Why push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight movements. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they train many muscles at the same time. In just one motion, you activate chest, major and minor pectoral muscles, front and side deltoids, triceps, biceps for stabilization core, including rectus abdominis and obliques, upper back stabilizers, glutes, and even quadriceps. This means you are not just building strength, you're training your body to work as a coordinated unit, which is how real-world athletic movement is supposed to function. That's why push-ups remain a staple in military fitness tests, gymnastics conditioning, boxing and combat sports athletic training worldwide. If you do 100 push-ups a day, your body has no choice but to adapt. What you will notice in the first 7 days. The first week is all about shock and adaptation. Expect muscles to feel sore and tight, a major increase in blood flow, better mind-muscle connection, the movement starting to feel smoother. During this phase, your nervous system learns how to recruit more muscle fibers efficiently. This is why strength can increase even before muscles visibly grow. What happens after 14 days? By week 2, stamina and performance start noticeably improving. Your breathing becomes more controlled. You fatigue slower. You start needing fewer rest breaks. Your daily total push-ups feel less intimidating. Many people also notice early visual results. Firmer chest, more defined shoulders, tighter triceps, slight posture improvement. This is your body creating more mitochondria, the energy factories that fuel physical work. More mitochondria equals more power and less fatigue. After 21 to 30 days, visible transformation begins. If you remain consistent for 3 to 4 weeks, changes become obvious. Muscle fibers become thicker. Upper body looks fuller and stronger. Core stability improves. Daily strength feels higher. Endurance is significantly elevated. You will look and feel stronger, and everyday tasks, carrying groceries, lifting children, walking upstairs, start to feel easier. Why push-ups raise metabolism? Because push-ups activate multiple large muscle groups at once, your body burns more calories both during and after the workout. This creates an effect known as EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, where the body keeps burning energy for hours afterward. This is why 100 push-ups a day can help. Reduce upper body fat, build lean muscle, improve body composition. Even if push-ups alone don't give you a full workout, they become a powerful metabolic trigger. But should you do all 100 in a row? Not always. Pushing to absolute failure daily can lead to excess cortisol, nervous system fatigue, slower recovery, risk of injury, loss of motivation. A smarter structure is to break the workout into smaller sets. 10 sets of 10, 5 sets of 24 sets of 25. Spread throughout the day. This helps you complete all 100 reps without burning out. Biohack number 1, the 80% rule. Most professional athletes train at maximum intensity only occasionally. Why? because chronic all-out training increases stress hormone levels, especially cortisol, which can reduce testosterone, slow muscle protein synthesis, increase inflammation. So here's the rule. Train to 80% effort most days. Push to 100% occasionally, not daily. This allows better recovery, faster strength gains, consistent progress, less burnout. Your body grows when it recovers, not when it's constantly breaking down. Biohack number 2, train in the morning for better hormonal response. Testosterone and growth hormone levels are naturally higher in the morning. Doing your push-ups. After waking before breakfast, even in fasted mode, may trigger better muscle activation and metabolic benefits. Plus, early morning exercise releases dopamine and endorphins that set a positive tone for the entire day. Biohack number 3, use creatine or beta-alanine. These two supplements are some of the most researched in sports science. Creatine, 3 to 5 grams daily, increases strength output and energy stores. Beta-alanine reduces muscle burning and delays fatigue. Together, they help you push harder while recovering faster. Even without gym weights, these supplements can enhance muscle gain from bodyweight movements. Biohack number 4, rotate push-up variations. If you do the exact same push-up every single day, your body adapts and progress slows. Rotate variations to target different muscle fibers. Standard push-ups, balanced wide push-ups, outer chest, diamond push-ups, triceps, decline push-ups, upper chest, slow eccentric push-ups, hypertrophy, explosive push-ups, power and fast twitch fibers, pause push-ups, strength under tension. Each variation stresses your muscles differently, stimulating new growth and avoiding plateaus. Biohack number 5, add the time under tension method. If you really want to grow, slow down your downward movement. 3 seconds down, 1 second pause. Explode up, lock out clean. Increasing time under tension forces the muscle to work harder, even at the same total rep count. Biohack number 6, track your metrics. Human performance increases when the brain knows it's being measured. Track daily. Total reps per set. Time to complete 100 form quality muscle fatigue recovery speed. Even writing it in a notebook or phone triggers a motivational psychological effect called measurement equals improvement. Biohack number 7, don't skip recovery. Push-ups stimulate growth, but muscles grow when you rest. Simple recovery boosters, magnesium before bed. Plenty of electrolytes, stretch or foam, roll in the evening. Light core, breathing to relax muscles, 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep. Growth hormone peaks dramatically during sleep. Miss sleep, you miss gains, no matter how hard your workout is. Biohack number 8, add protein around your training. Protein is the raw material for muscle construction. To maximize growth, have protein 1 to 2 hours after your push-ups. Prioritize lean meats, eggs, dairy, or plant-based protein. Or use a protein shake if your diet is lacking. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body weight to support daily muscle repair. Biohack bonus, add a micro skill stack. While doing 100 push-ups daily is powerful, pairing it with a micro habit creates a compound effect. For example, 2 minutes of planks, 50 bodyweight squats, 20 pull-ups, 5 minutes of deep breathing, 3 minutes of cold exposure. When combined, results multiply, not just add. What happens if you stick with it 60 to 90 days? Long-term consistency leads to physically stronger pecs, shoulders, and triceps, Better posture, increased upper body endurance, visible muscular changes metabolically, higher baseline metabolic rate, better insulin sensitivity, more efficient fat burning neurologically, more efficient movement patterns, faster nervous system response, increased resilience and discipline. Mentally, daily push-ups become a habit loop. Doing them becomes part of your identity. This builds momentum, confidence, and a sense of athletic capability that carries into other areas of life. But who should avoid daily push-up failure? Be cautious if you have elbow, shoulder, or wrist injuries, you are new to exercise. Your form collapses after a few reps. Remember, bad form only trains bad posture. If you need to, start smaller, 20 to 30 push-ups per day. Slowly increase volume, focus heavily on perfect form. Progress always beats punishment. How to do a perfect push-up. For optimal results, body in a straight line from head to heels. No sagging hips, no high pelvis. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower until elbows are roughly 90 degrees. Push up until arms are fully extended. Keep eyes on the floor, neck neutral. Brace the core throughout. A perfect push-up is better than 10 sloppy ones. Final thoughts. So, should you do 100 push-ups every day? Absolutely, if you do it with smart load management without burning out daily, while rotating variations, supporting your body with recovery and nutrition. Push-ups are one of the greatest bodyweight biohacks available. They build muscle, improve endurance, boost metabolism, strengthen posture, drive hormonal and neurological improvements, and they cost nothing. So now I want to know, how many push-ups can you do in one set today? Drop your number in the comments and let's track your progress together. If you're ready for more science-backed training and biohacking strategies, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.